Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack for creative team channels and review threads step by step clearly. Open the Slack app on your device or visit the Slack website. Log into your account using your credentials. Locate the workspace that your creative team is using. Once in the workspace, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the Channels section, typically found below your direct messages. Click on the Browse Channels option. Here, you'll see a list of available channels within your workspace. Use the search bar at the top to find specific creative team channels. If you're looking for channels related to specific projects, type relevant keywords. Once you find a channel that interests you, click on it to view its details. Read the channel description to understand its purpose and topics. If you want to join, click on the Join Channel button. To view the channels you've joined, go back to the left sidebar. Now, let's discuss reviewing threads within these channels. In any channel, look for messages that have replies or threads. Click on the message with the reply icon to view the thread. You'll see responses organized under the original message. Read through the conversation to catch up on any discussions. If you wish to contribute, type your reply in the message box at the bottom of the thread. When you're finished, press the Enter key to send your message. This way, you can easily stay updated and engaged in your creative team discussions. Repeat this process to explore more channels and threads as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.